What's up, everybody, and thank you for joining me on Hammerdown Motorsports. Today, well, as you can see, it's snowing, so that only means one thing: we are going snowmobiling with our good buddy Andy. So since I don't have reverse on my snowmobile, I have to use my commander to pull it out. Alright, we made it here in one piece. Let's see what Andy's got figured out here, if he's got his sled ready to go or what. You can do it!
Yeah, there's no fuel on the line.
You got the fuel turned on or off?
I don't think this has an on-off for the fuel, to be honest.
Yeah.
At least I never remember turning one off.
Yeah, I never turn them off because I always forget whether I did or not.
Yeah. It's been so long since I looked at this damn thing. I honestly don't remember. Yeah, we got plenty of fuel in the tank. It all just went back into the tank.
Yeah, mine lost its prime pretty good too. I had to pull like crazy to get it to go.
Yeah. I don't want to fucking kill the batteries.
A little drip at a time you see going into that filter.
Yeah, it's just trying to bleed the fuck out.
You can prime it up. Do you have a vacuum pump?
No.
You got lips and a mint?
Hmm?
Got lips and a mint?
What's that?
Suck on the hose until the gas comes out.
I mean, that is one way of doing it.
We're almost there. Ooh. Success!
Only took 20 million tries.
Yeah, oh well. So it was running, and now it doesn't seem like we've got any power.
I pretty much said, dude.
So now we got to trace out, see why we don't have power.
I don't understand what the going on. Oh, here we go. We got some fuses here. Something blue. A fuse blew or something blue, dude. Oh my god, why is this doing this to me? Why does it hate me?
I don't know.
You got 12 volts there. 12 volts. I mean, you got plenty of power. Why is it for some reason that?
You got no power there.
Why is it that that should have fucking power there or something? Bad ground maybe?
Possibility.
I would do it. There's my ground.
Shorts, opens, and grounds. That's all it can be. So
the green death of fucking death right there. That's what that is. That's our problem.
I was tapping the key as we were wiggling wires.
We're wiggling wires. We did the old wiggle test.
So at least we figured this out here.
That's what it is. Look at the corrosion in there.
Yeah. That's
Look at that corrosion, dude. That's the problem.
So we need to clean her up and...
Yep. All right, cool. Well, at least we fucking found the issue. That's fucking good.
Give her. that old fuel worked out of her.
Yeah, put some new Sunoco gas in there, she'll be good to go.
Yep. So, since Andy has a two-place trailer, we are going to take my sled off of my trailer, but I really, really wish I had reverse at this moment. So, as luck would have it, first the snowmobile doesn't start. Now, the lock on the trailer, frozen. So, Andy's going to go get a propane torch. We're going to try to heat this guy up, and hopefully we can get it unlocked so we can actually load these things up and go riding.
What is going on today?
We got a little breeze and doesn't want to light. All right, the lock is off the trailer. One more step to success.
Jeez, my God, man, what is going on today?
I don't know, man.
What is going on today, man?
For some reason, we're not supposed to go snowmobiling.
I'm telling you, man, the gods are fucking, they're not happy with us or something. I'm not really sure what the problem is, but...
Well, I mean, we're making it just one step at a time.
One very slow step at a time. That's the messed up part.
All right, both sleds are on the trailer. We're looking in good shape.
It only took 5 hours.
Yeah, well, you know, takes time to get ready to have fun, right?
Fuck, I'm telling you, man.
It's not one thing, it's the other.
I'm starting to question this.
Yeah. We're off.
We are off to go get some food because I'm after doing all that work, I'm hungry as hell now.
Yeah. It's a good thing we got headlights because we're probably not going to ride till it's dark.
Yeah, anyways, right?
So when you have a snowmobile trailer and 2 sleds and a big dually, you just park like a boss.
You park like a dick is what you park like.
So how much diesel does that thing take?
About 5 gallons.
Yeah.
Yeah, we mix it. We do a 50-50 mix of
50-50 mix. That's how that...
3 octane, yeah.
It's like 2 cylinders or diesel, 2 cylinders or gas.
Pretty much, yeah. All opposing.
Yeah, they figure it out in the end, you know.
Yeah. It'll work its way out.
Here we go. We got another sled over here.
What?
Where we going, man?
You got the right idea.
That's right.
At the
Diesel
diesel,
pumps, the dickheads.
like always. Unbelievable.
Drives me nuts, man. That's like literally the worst. Okay, what are you doing, Goofy? Look at this, a gas.
So there's like 15 gas pumps.
Yeah.
Find a gas pump. Don't take the diesel pump. So here we go, another gasser at the other diesel pump. Because there's not like 500 other gas pumps here that you could have gone to. So much fun.
Alrighty.
So that's Diesel Gripe 101.
Diesel, yeah.
Gassers at the diesel pump. So it's about 3:26 right now. We did get to the shop at about, what was it, 12?
It was like 12:30
Yeah,
or so, 12:30.
So after getting everything loaded up and started and fixed and whatever, yeah, it's pretty much going to be dark by the time we start riding, but
That's fine.
that's when the fun starts, right?
That's when we get lost.
Alright, we are ready to go. And I wasn't even really giving it that hard. The Andy's sled is only going 40 miles an hour, so it's not doing exactly what it should be doing. So Andy, how was that?
It was a lot of fun.
Oh yeah.
I'm cold, I'm tired.
That means it was a good day.
It was a good day. We just need more snow now.
Well yeah, we definitely need more snow. It's been in tracks out there like crazy. So as you guys can see, it's dark already. We had a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us snowmobiling. We're going to be doing more of this as the snow falls, so stay tuned for future snowmobile episodes coming up, and hopefully we can have a little bit better camera angles. I hope to do some mounts on the machine and kind of get that dialed in a little bit more. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Keep that hammer down.